It's time to discover, it's time to play. So let's get started right away.
Farm animals. So all of these animals you will find on a farm. Now you can play this game by running this game off, and you can play it by yourself. You're going to play it with us today as we find the animals. Or you can go on the Loving to Learn website and do the interactive game. Let's get started. Can you find the pig? What does a pig say? That's right. Oink, 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 oink. Here is the pig. We'll put our marker on the pig. Can you find the duck? What do you think a duck says? Quack, quack, quack. That's right. Where is that duck? Here is the duck. We'll put that on there. We'll put our marker on the duck. Where is the owl? The owl says, ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see. Is that an owl? No, that's a chick. Here's the owl. We'll put our marker on the owl. Can you find the goose? What does a goose say? A goose goes honk, honk. Here is the goose. We'll put our marker on the goose. Can you find the cow? Come on, tell me what a cow says. That's right. Moo, moo. Here is the cow. We'll put our marker on the cow. Can you find the dog? Tell me, what does a dog say? Louder. That's right. Roof, roof, roof. Let's find, here is the dog. We'll put our marker on the dog. Can you find the sheep? What does a sheep say? Ba, ba. That's right, that's what a sheep says. Here is the sheep. We'll put our marker on the sheep. Can you find the hen? Now a hen usually lays eggs, and they say cluck, 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 cluck. Very good. Here is the hen. We'll put our marker on the hen. Can you find the goat? Now a goat sometimes can really come after you, so we gotta be a little bit careful around a goat. Where is the goat? Here's the goat. Let's put a marker on the goat. Can you find the horse? What do you think a horse says? That's right. Neigh, neigh. Here is the horse. We'll put the marker on the horse. Can you find the rooster? This is who wakes us up in the morning, and he says, cock-a-doodle-doo. That's right. Here is the rooster. We'll put a marker on the rooster. We have one left. It is the chick. Can you find the chick? What does a chick say? A chick says, beep, 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 beep. Here is the chick. We'll put our marker on the chick. We have found all of the farm animals. did a fantastic job. See you later, alligator.